Very good evening to one and all person here. Today we are going to see about production scheduling problem in operation research. The following are the today's agenda for the lecture. So what is meant by production scheduling problem? What are the various different types of scheduling problems? Then sample illustration of concept and followed by conclusion. First, let us discuss about in detail introduction to production scheduling problem. So what is exactly the production scheduling problem means in operation management? The production schedule has got a different n number of management activities, say starting from planning, forecasting, predicting and meeting the demand. So it is a versatile function, production schedule. It keeps all our operations working on time and under budget. At the same time, it helps you to keep your commitment to your customer by tracking the production schedule as per the estimated forecast demand. Let's go into the following, the main components, little more detail as listed here. Planning, so predicting the external demand and matching according to the expected and the projected requirements. So in order to meet the demand, the following are the main important the inputs that are mainly considered for the production schedule. Number of labor requirement, material requirement, the inventory and the equipment capacity. Next one is scheduling, assigning various workers and proposing the detailed plan in order to meet out the unexpected delay whenever it may happen in the regular schedule of time. What is stockout prevention? So planning to maintain a constant input even if the materials are delayed or lack of order due to the increase in demand of the commodity. So you must have sufficient stock in the inventory by eliminating the stockout situation. The next one, improved efficiency. So identifying the various bottleneck and looking for the areas of further improvement. This increases the improvement in the lead time and also we can able to smooth out the demand flows. Then last one, improved communication. By keeping a document, detailed document of each and every production workflow, so we can communicate the entire the business with the available information in hand. What are the different kinds of scheduling problem in the existing literature? Or is classified into three types: single machine scheduling problem, flow shop scheduling problem, and job shop scheduling problem. Now in this lecture, I'm going to focus on single machine scheduling problem with a sample tutorial. So let us brief out all the three different kinds of scheduling problem, one after the other. So what is the term called single machine scheduling problem? It's nothing but a single resource scheduling, which is one of the optimization problem in computer science and operation research. How we can further take it to the better extent. Say let us n number of jobs, J1, J2 and Jn. So which has a different processing timing. So which need to be scheduled on only on a single machine, so that we can optimize certain objectives such as throughput time, that is finishing time, job finishing time. The next one is a flow shop scheduling problem. It is also a kind of a production problem where a set of jobs, say n, have to be processed with identical part flow on m number of machines. The sequence of jobs to be processed on all the machines is said to be identical, same in nature. Say, for example, you take a paint factory as a flow shop process. See, one moves down the diagonal of the product process matrix. So this clearly states that both product and process structure shift from low volume to high flexibility to higher volume and more standardization. So in this application, all the entire process will look same, identical throughout the process right from the start to finish of the production. Next one, job shop scheduling problem. It is one of the common scheduling problem in which multiple products or multiple jobs are processed on several different missions. Each job has a sequence of tasks that can be performed on in a given order, and each task must be processed on a specific mission, not on a common resource. For example, you take the manufacture of a single consumer product, say an automobile. The problem is to schedule the task on the mission so as to minimize the length of the schedule in order to complete the jobs as per the fixed deadline. Now let us see the sample illustration for the production scheduling problem by applying shortest process time rule in order to control the mean flow time of the job. See here, what is the main objective of SPT rule is to control the mean flow time of the job. How we can able to control it? So let us have a simple numerical example. The data about a given set of the single operation jobs that has to be processed in CNC lathe and the process timing of the job are given in the following table. See, there are nearly 5 jobs are there. So job 1 has a process timing of 7 minutes, and job 2 it has 18 minutes, and job 3 will take a process timing of around 6 minutes, and job 4 will take 8 minutes, and job 5 12 minutes. Find the optimal sequence for the given batch of job which will control the mean flow time and also obtain the minimum mean flow time of the schedule. So in this problem, so we have to shift the sequence of the job order in order to find out the minimum mean flow time of the job. By applying SPT rule, so we can order the arrangement of the job by identifying the least process time from the previous table. Here, the least process time is 6 minutes. So, batch number 3. So, put batch number 3 in the first sequence. Okay, identify the second minimum, job 1, next minimum, least process time, so 7 minutes. Then the third minimum, least process time, 8 minutes. So, in increasing pattern, rearrange the sequence of the job and find out the total mean flow time just by summing all the values. So here we have to find out the revised job order sequence. So 3, 1, 4, 5, 2. This is the revised job order sequence, which will control the minimum mean flow time of the job, as shown here. So conclusion. So scheduling is considered to be the management operation which tries to optimize the allocation of resource over a period of time to accomplish the specific set of tasks. The impact of scheduling can be increased by focusing on the bottleneck resource in order to maximize the flow of total value added funds. So the scheduling is one of the important area in operation management that will decide the capacity of the machine utilization depending on the volume of the job to be allotted. So with this few introduction note, I thank each and every one of you for your kind patience listening towards the production scheduling topic in operation research. On the other occasion, I will meet you with flow shop scheduling problem, the different algorithms that are used in flow shop scheduling problem, and operation as such. So, thank you very much.